today's Face It segment, do you have brown spots on your face that you'd like to get rid of? How about a tattoo that's outlived its usefulness? The Spectra laser is the newest weapon in the anti-aging arsenal that can treat everything from melasma to pore reduction. Dr. Jody Comstock joins us now with some information on this. Thanks for being with us. This sounds like a kind of a do-it-all kind of laser. Tell us about it.
Well, the Nd:YAG laser, which is what the Spectra laser is, has been around for a long time, but it's been tweaked, and now that has really been simplified and perfected. And they relaunched the Nd:YAG laser this year. It's had 10 years of experience in Asia, and we specifically looked into it for melasma treatment, or that extra pigmentation that you see with all individuals, especially dark hair, dark eyes.
Okay. Let's take a look at some pictures of some befores and afters. You can talk about them.
What happens is this laser also helps treat acne. This young woman has had a treatment of the laser, and it's especially nice for someone who does not want to do oral antibiotics. So it's another alternative for treatment and no downtime.
And how many treatments typically do you need?
It can range from 1 to 2 to 3. We'll suggest 1 treatment a month for a bit. Some patients will do 1 treatment every 6 months. It's specifically great for pore size, and you can see with these dilated pores on the central face how they shrink up. And as we age, we get more dilated pores, and dark hair, dark-eyed individuals get centrally dilated pores on their nose and inner cheeks.
Okay. And that just really, you can see the difference there.
I know,
That's
it's
amazing.
Great. It is really nice. These are seborrheic keratoses. These are benign growths. They're caused from the sun, and many people will get lots of them. We treat thousands a day in our practice. This laser is very nice with no downtime. 1 to 2 treatments will take care of these lesions without leaving any mark or scar.
Does a particular skin type tend to get these?
Actually, we see them on all skin types, and as we age, we get them, and it's just non-discriminating. And this is for tattoo removal. It's called selective photothermolysis. This means it selects a specific color and pigment, and the nice thing about this particular laser is it hits all different colors, all different wavelengths. Unfortunately, you do need several treatments, as in all tattoo lasers, but it does not scar. You really get a beautiful result after various treatments.
But as you can see on the last picture, it doesn't totally take it away, does it?
It can. And again, this individual has had 4 treatments, but you could do more treatments, and we would suggest possibly 7 to 10 to get totally rid of it.
Okay, especially the darker
But some may go away with even 3 treatments, especially if they're not professionally done. It actually also treats broken blood vessels. And fine broken blood vessels, again, we get with photo damage on our skin, and this is after treatment, the skin just looks very refreshed. Patients love this because there's no discomfort, and their skin looks great right away. They don't have to have the healing. And again, with this pigmentation, this is classic melasma, and sometimes we can lift this with creams, making sure patients wear good sunblocks, but some individuals it's just very, very stubborn, and this is now our treatment of choice for stubborn melasma.
This is a great example of melasma.
And again, you'll get this discoloration, and it gets hard to cover with makeup, and over time it gets darker and darker. And so this is a nice non-invasive treatment option for individuals.
And let me ask you something else. Once you deal with melasma like that, if you don't wear sunscreen, will it be back?
Yes. And so individuals who have this treatment really need to be on a great topical regimen. Melasma comes from hormones and sun exposure, so you need to be wearing a zinc oxide or titanium dioxide sunblock on your skin. We encourage bleaching agents and retin-A. Always try those things first. Stabilize your color cells and then undergo treatments. But no other lasers really work and can make melasma worse. So you're really stuck with peels or doing this new Nd:YAG.
And is it a painful laser?
No, it's not. Patients love that because it doesn't hurt, very easy, and all patients are back for more because it's really not bad.
Okay, and it's called one more time?
It's called the Spectra laser.
Spectra laser, because they'll want to know what to ask for.
Exactly.